What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to Gadget Beard. Today we have a case for the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. I've never reviewed this case before on the channel. This is the first, so I was super excited to get it in. It is from Itskins and is made for Google, 100% recycled materials, AI enhanced drop protection, antimicrobial defense, camera, screen, and hinge protection. Hybrid or clear hinge or whatever, lifetime warranty, Google Pixel 9 Pro. Very nice packaging, very good. Let's go ahead and remove this bad boy from here. Bam, bam, bam. That's all you get when you get it. I think my case broke. Actually, no, you get something. Oh, what do we get here? Oh, some wet nap and an adhesive strip. Some silicone straps. What else? Is that out? I think that's all. And I think this broke. It did not break. It just fell apart. Alright, cool. Now, I like this. Sorry. You can't even see anything. Here you go. Now, I like this case. Look at that. It comes together, has hinge protection. Looks very good. Let's go ahead and grab my Pixel 9 Pro Fold. So we're gonna place this bad boy in there, and then place this in like so. Very nice fitment. Oh, wait. Why is it pinching like that? Okay, so the adhesive, this screen protector doesn't work with this device. This is the D brand screen protector. It is an edge to edge screen protector. Let's go ahead and remove it. So the adhesive strip is going to go here on the inside. You can kind of stick it here and it can kind of keep this from bulging in like this. You see this gap? It's just going to keep it in place like that. Now you have tremendous lip protection there. Even without the screen protector, you are protected if you lay your phone face down on a flat surface, and you got tremendous lip protection here on the back. Boom, so you are protected as well like that. When you open this bad boy, this does kind of feel flat here on the edges, which is not bad, but look at that hinge protection. You got hinge protection like that. It opens very nice. iSkin branding right there, clear, so you can see the color of your pixel. Boom, looking good. Let's go ahead and close it. Look at this hinge protection. It does add a little bit of width to your device. Kind of feels a little bit more of, almost feels like the original Pixel Fold in width wise, but it's not bad at all. You do need, like I said, you do need to put the adhesive strip on here so it holds that in place like so. But other than that, the cutouts are nice and precise. No issues with the cutouts at all. The buttons are 100% covered and nice and tactile. No issues with that as well. And you can easily access the fingerprint reader and power button. This thing is going to wirelessly charge without any issues, but it is not, as you can see, it is not MagSafe compatible. It does not have a MagSafe device. But there you have it, guys. This is actually not too bad of a case here from iSkins. Bam, look at that. Does not get better than that. Link will be in the description if you want to go ahead and pick one of these bad boys up. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.